Did you know a serial killer used World War II air raids as his hunting ground? In 1944, Tokyo, Yoshio Kodera stalked the darkened streets during bombing raids. While families hid in shelters, he prowled for victims. The blackouts were perfect cover. Police were overwhelmed. No witnesses in the chaos. He raped and murdered at least 10 women this way. Each air raid siren meant another hunt. For months, he vanished into the wartime confusion like a ghost. But in 1946, one woman survived his attack. Her testimony finally put him on trial. Kodera was executed in 1949.